So recently I posted a video on my channel mentioning that I'll be joining Meta as a software engineer, and there was still some figuring out going on and still some thinking going on that which location I'll be joining. So probably from the thumbnail you might be already aware where I'll be going, but in this video I'll be talking all of the things around that with all of you guys. This is not going to be a tech video. Again, this is going to be a small life update that I wanted to just share with all of you guys. So without any further ado, let's just start. But before starting the video, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do consider subscribing, because we are going to put some really new and awesome content regarding tech and career in this channel. So let's just start. So finally I have decided that I'll be joining Meta London. So based on a lot of factors, I actually came to this particular conclusion. So I've been to London a couple of times before for a few conferences and a few trips, and this was one of those places that I actually knew already a bit. And apart from India, I believe London was one of those places that I have spent most of my days, if you consider these trips. There were some other really interesting options as well, but I got a team match here, and London is one of those places where a lot of, I would say, tech innovation is also going on. The finance sector at London, the fintech sector in London is also pretty great. And also I came to know that a lot of my friends were actually in Meta London. So that's going to be kind of like a plus one if you are going to make a cross-country move. Then I believe having some friends and relatives at that particular place is definitely an added advantage, because you never know when do you need some help, when do you actually need to do some meet and greet all together. And definitely Meta has a good and a big base in London, so that looked like an obvious choice. Of course, there was a lot of thought through going on around the fact that which one should I pick. I did some pros and cons evaluation around which location I should technically choose, and look, London actually came to be kind of like the topmost priority. Along with that, I also thought about the proximity from India, of course, because I have to also make sure that I'm able to easily travel between my workplace and India. India is where all of my family, friends, relative, everybody is there. So I definitely need to like hop on, hop off a lot of times. So this was also one interesting consideration. So that being said, I'll be now actually making a move to London. Of course, you'll be watching this video a bit later, but there's going to be an interesting set of, I would say, videos coming on the channel. I'll be probably trying to vlog a bit around my move out journey, around a few days here in London. So that's going to be kind of like a fresh new content that I'll try to put apart from the tech content that we generally have. So that's going to be kind of like a plus one for me. And again, exploring London as if I'm living there, and understanding the culture is going to be great. Of course, there's not much of a language constraint here, and that's also kind of like a plus. So I'm really excited for the move. I am thinking what to do, what not to do. All of those planning and all is actually going on. So let's see how it goes. But this was just kind of like a short video that I wanted to put so that you guys are also kind of like updated. So let's see how it goes. Let's wait for the vlogs and the videos that are gonna come up. So let's just wrap this particular video here. We're going to meet soon in the next set of videos, and probably the next set of videos will be around my move to London. That being said, let's wrap this video here, and we are going to meet soon in the next set of videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I'm Sanket Singh, signing off.